If you're new to TapClaw, we're here to help you get started. In just 2 minutes, we'll guide you through these 4 steps to get fully started with TapClaw. Step 1. Sign up. First, open tapclaw.app in your browser. Click Sign Up in the top right corner. You can choose to sign up using your Google account or your email address. Now, check your inbox or your spam folder to see if you've received a verification email. Click the Verify Email button in the email to complete your registration. Now, set your password with at least 8 characters. Step 2. Create an agent. You can set your agent's name, language, services, etc. here. Of course, you can skip this for now and come back to it later. Here you can choose the plan that suits you. In this case, the free plan is selected. TapClaw offers multiple payment methods, including credit cards, Alipay, and cryptocurrency. Step 3. Connect to Telegram. Click Channels on the left. Select Bind next to Telegram. Search for @BotFather on Telegram. Type /newbot to create a new bot. Enter a name. Enter a unique username ending with bot. Copy the token and paste it into TapClaw. Click Bind. Now TapClaw is connected to your Telegram bot. You can start chatting now. Step 4. Other key features. Chat has 2 interfaces, TapChat and OpenClaw. General allows setting name and AI model. Skills. Install, uninstall, and manage your skills. Connectors. Grant read access to third-party services. Channels. Connect to multiple IM platforms. Cron jobs. Manage your scheduled tasks.